Welcome to our channel. In today's video, we're going to show you an advanced PCB recycling system, which also can process copper-clad laminate CCL materials. This system uses a crusher, two pulverizers and air separators to separate valuable metals and materials. Plus, we have the multilingual control screen that ensures easy operation for users worldwide. Let's take a closer look. The first step in the recycling process is the crusher. Here, the CCL material is fed into the machine. The crusher uses powerful mechanical force to break down the material into smaller pieces, preparing it for the next phase of processing. Next, the crushed material is sent to pulverizer. The purpose of the pulverizer is to grind the material into finer particles. Here, the copper and other components like resin are broken down further into powder. Once the material is finely ground, it moves to the air separator. This is where the magic happens. The air separator uses a flow of air to separate materials based on their density. Heavier materials, like copper, will fall down to the lower part of the classifier, while lighter materials such as resin is carried away by the airflow. This precise separation ensures that the valuable copper is collected. One of the standout features of this system is the multilingual control screen. With the press of a button, operators can switch between multiple languages. This feature ensures that the system is user-friendly and adaptable to a wide range of operators and environments. In summary, this PCB recycling system is a powerful and efficient solution for processing PCB and copper-clad laminate materials.